Hello, this is Candace Sweet, and in this video, I'll show you how to insert your critical thinking questions directly into the focus questions document I've provided for you. Take a look at the left-hand side for the column called Desired Level of Thinking. That column gives us all 6 levels of our thought processes. Next to it, you'll see a column of Bloom's taxonomy keywords that you can use to help organize your critical thinking questions. It's the third column where you will actually type your questions. For this first level of thinking, remembering, I have some questions I've already developed for you. All you have to do is place your mouse cursor directly in the blank box and begin typing your questions. What kind of questions should you ask? You can ask any kind of question under the desired level of thinking that helps you to think more deeply about the story. In a close reading that we did in week 2, we take marginal notes and ask critical thinking questions as we read. For focus questions, however, we are asking critical thinking questions after we have read the entire story. It may be the case that you do not answer all of these questions or that there is not a clear answer for the questions that you've asked. The purpose of this assignment is to help you deepen your thinking of the story and all of its interpretive possibilities. Be sure to take a look at the example of the focus questions document for the Cask of Amontillado to see what kind of questions you can ask. And keep in mind that answering these questions is not actually a part of this assignment. That's a task we'll do later. For right now, just allow your mind and your thoughts to go in every possibility that the story opens up for us. When we write our papers, we want to get to the level of create. But to do that, we have to take every rung of the Bloom's taxonomy ladder. If you can't remember the story, you can't understand it. And if you can't understand it, then you won't be able to apply any knowledge of the story in any way. If you can't apply the information, then you won't be able to analyze it or evaluate it. And all of that is leading us up to creation. That's our main goal. All good scholars begin with asking questions, and that's where we're going to begin too. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and take your time with this assignment and see just how creative you can be in thinking about this very short story.